and then carry the branch and the trick is to not drop too many of them when you first cut the branch. I can feel it going. And there we go. Now, it looks like I left a few too many branches, and it's not going to fit in my hive. So, I'll move a few of these frames out of the way. And
You want a small clippers?
yeah, if you can get them to me quickly.
They're way down in, they're down in the vegetable garden.
So I can see a few drones, worker bees. I'm gonna get a little closer to you, Mom. Fear not. Can you see them? Pretty
Yeah.
impressive, huh?
Yes.
So they're still flying around up there, expecting to find the colony in the tree. And I'm just picking off some of the branches here. And then I'm going to put them in the box. It's taking a little while to get me the clippers.
That's because they're down in the vegetable garden.
So they're not going to find them where they're looking?
Probably not. Do you want me to stop filming and go get them?
Yeah, please. Okay, thanks.
Now, do I hit it again?
Well, I don't know, is the little timer still running down?
The H is.